See, look at the way he lifts the wee shredded wheat. Like he lifts one of the wee squares. Kelo, do you know there's lots of your fans love to see your close-ups eating? Does that usually like his close-ups? I get lots of messages saying it's so cute. And they love the sounds he makes. And the mess. Can't forget about the mess, Kelo. I am absolutely drained. It's unbelievable. Is that nice? It's lovely over here too. It's lovely and sunny in Belfast. Was that nice? Whether have you learned any bad words from when I was away? Have you? And luckily he does, he just rubs his beak on all the leftovers off his beak.
Want one?
You want one? Will you eat? You eat that and I'll wait to get with the coffee.